Hello again, my precious. Here is a new video on my channel, and we continue talking about the pronoun self, but now in its possessive form. So let's start. Займенник свій. Possessive pronoun, we can translate it as like once, or the possessive form of the pronoun self. So it's a little bit confusing, but we will try to understand. So let's try to understand what свій, своя, своє, свої, what does it mean. In English it can be translated like once, but it is used in some interesting way. So in Ukrainian we have possessive pronouns like mine, your, her, his, my, it's me, моя, моє, her, it's її, його, and so on. If you wish, you could watch my video about it. If I won't forget, here will be the link. But in some cases we need to use свій, своя, своя. It's like in such sentences. In English, for example, I take my book. In Ukrainian we say я беру свою книгу, not мою книгу. Not to repeat the first pronoun. Or вона бере свою книгу. In English she takes her book, but in Ukrainian it will be свою книгу. The possessive pronoun свій, своя, своє, свої denotes possessions, belonging, and it is related to the subject in the sentence. It has no person distinctions. Thus, it can refer to any person. It has the properties of an adjective that it agrees in gender, case, number with a noun. So, свій, своя, своє, it replaces my, his, their, and that's all in the sentences where we talk about belonging. But not like це моя книга, this is my book. But like я беру свою книгу, I take my book. So we need the subject I, or the subject you. The subject should be pronoun, and then in this case we use свій, своя, своє. But if we don't have a pronoun subject of the sentence, we use mine, his, her, me, моя, моє, її, його. So, I hope it is a little bit clear. Again, I advise you to watch my videos about other possessive pronouns. And now, let's look at the table. So, cases. Називний, родовий, давальний, знахідний, родний, місцевий, nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, instrumental, locative. So, nominative, masculine, свій, feminine, своя, and neuter, своє, множина, свої, plural, свої, genitive, masculine, свого, feminine, своєї, neuter, свого. So, they are the same, yes. And in plural, своїх. Давальний, dative, своєму, in masculine, in feminine, свої, in neuter, своєму, plural, своїм. Accusative case, it's a little bit tricky. We should learn that if it's inanimated object, so it is not a person, not an animal, just inanimated object, we use this form, свій, in masculine form. And if it's animated, so a person or an animal, we say свого. So, it's really important. Animated object, inanimated object. Свій, inanimate, свого, animate. In feminine, we don't care, just свою, in neutral, своє. In plural, again, свої, inanimated object, своїх, animated object. So like, I see my windows, я бачу свої вікна. Inanimate object. I see my people. Я бачу своїх людей. Animated object. Instrumental case. Masculine своїм, feminine своєю, neuter своїм, plural своїми. And in locative case, на у своєму, на у своїй, на у своєму, на у своїх. So it is where. Yes, where. Locative case, it's where. To learn more about cases, watch my video about it. For cases of nouns, cases of adjectives, there are lots of materials. Okay, I guess it's a little bit more clear for you, but let's go to practice.
Бери своє, йди.
Let's practice. Потренуємося. So here we have an exercise, and we should put the forms of the pronoun свій, своя, своє, свої in these sentences. You can use the table in the previous slide. You can screenshot in and put it in front of your eyes, and you can do this exercise. So stop the video, do this exercise, and in the next slide we'll check everything. Відповіді. Answers. So, let's check. Я купила подарунок для свого брата, своєї сестри, своїх батьків. I bought a present for my brother, my sister, my parents. So, свого, because it's grammatical masculine, своєї, grammatical feminine, and plural, своїх. Plural animated, parents animated, so, своїх. Я дала книжку своєму братові, своїй мамі, своїм батькам. I gave a book to my brother, my mom, and my parents. Again, dative case. Своєму братові, to my brother, to my mom, dative case, and to my parents, plural. Я люблю свого брата, свою маму, своїх батьків. Accusative case. I love my brother, my mom, my parents. Masculine, feminine, plural. Number 4. Я живу зі своїм братом, зі своєю мамою, зі своїми батьками. I live with my brother, with my mom, with my parents. Instrumental case is here. And the last one. Я бачу новий одяг на своєму братові, на своїй мамі, на своїх батьках. I see a new clothes on my brother, on my mom, on my parents. Locative case. Again, masculine, feminine, plural. I hope it was easy for you. Looks again the rule, looks again the exercise.
Якби я була не я б не шукала біти, я б не шукала свій стиль.
Потренуємося. Let's practice, we continue. So, we need to write the pronouns свій, своє, своє here in these sentences again. So, stop the video, try to write it. Now you know more as you have checked the previous practice. So, let's try. And then we will check. Answers. Відповіді. So, let's check. Я давно не бачила свого тата, своєї мами, своїх друзів. I haven't seen for a long time my dad, my mom, my friends. Again, masculine, feminine, plural. And it's accusative case. Я хочу подарувати подарунок своїм дітям, своєму чоловікові, своїй сестрі. I want to give a present to my children, my husband, my sister. So, dative case. Plural. Masculine, feminine. На картині я намалювала свій дім, свою машину, свою мрію. On the picture, I have drawn my house, my car, my dreams. So again, it's accusative case, but in animated objects, house grammatical masculine, grammatical feminine, a car, and plural. So you see the difference. This one accusative animated object, this one animated objects. Я їду в Київ зі своїми студентами, своїм чоловіком, своєю подругою. I go to Kyiv with my students, my husband, my friends. So, instrumental case. And the last one. I live in my flat. I have breakfast in my cafe. Locative case.
А я вдома зберігаю свою ностальгію.
And the last exercise for today, different sentences. Again, just put the right form of свій, своє, своє, свій. Put the video on pause, do this exercise, and then we will check as usual. Answers. So, let's check. Чому ти міряєш моє пальто? Ні, я міряю своє. Why are you trying on my coat? No, I'm trying on mine. So, you see that in this case, why do we use it? Not to repeat the word my, yeah? And here is a question mark. Sorry, it's a typo. Вона не має своєї машини. She doesn't have her own car. So, this is своєї in the meaning her own. Він завжди їздить на своїй машині. He always goes, buys his own car. Again, like his own. У чиїй машині він залишив документи? In whose car he left his documents? He has left his documents in his own car. Understand, yes? Вона не розуміє своїх батьків. She doesn't understand her parents. Вона дуже любить свого тата. She loves his dad very much. Вона їде до театру зі своєю мамою. She goes with her mom to the theater. Де він? Where is he? At his friend's place. У свого друга. Де вона? Where is she? At her friend's place. У своєї подруги. Ми дякуємо своїм батькам за все. We thank to our parents for everything. Ми дуже любимо своїх батьків. We love our parents very much. Вона читає свою книгу. She reads her book. So, you see that we use свій, своє, своє in the meaning his own, her own, their own, and when we already have a pronoun as a subject. If we don't have a pronoun as a subject, we can use me, моя, моє, її, його, so any other possessive pronouns. But if we already have the subject as a pronoun, we use свій, своя, своя. So I hope it's clear for you. If it's not, write in the comments.
Топити за своє не соромно, брате.
This is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely, like me enjoyed doing it. I hope you have understood everything, and if you haven't, please write me in the comments, and I will try to explain again. Share your ideas about next videos, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumb up. Maybe share it with your friends who wants to learn Ukrainian. It will be very useful for my channel, and we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.